In this video, we'll show you how to install Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate. Welcome back. I'm Eric with Rockford Fosgate, and today we're going to show you how to install our new amplifier kit on a 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. During the installation process, we'll refer you to the product iSheets and the Harley-Davidson Service and Repair Manual. We include a paper copy of the product iSheet with your speaker kit. If you do not have a service manual, it can be purchased through your local Harley-Davidson dealership and available to be ordered online at harleydavidson.com. To help guide you through this installation, we'll see these icons appear in the lower part of the screen. The first icon will refer to the Harley-Davidson Service and Repair Manual for your make and model. The second icon is for your product iSheet, illustrating the detailed installation process and the tools needed. Now, to get started, we want to remove the main fuse to prevent the motorcycle from accidentally starting. First, make sure to disable the security system on motorcycles that are equipped. We'll remove the clutch side saddlebag and service cover to access the main fuse. Now we're ready to remove the fairing from the motorcycle. Start by installing a fender cover to protect it from any damage. To get started, remove the two bolts holding the air deflector in place on both sides. Then, use a non-marring prying tool to remove the speaker grills and access one bolt securing each side to the fairing. Next, remove 4 bolts holding the windshield in place. Once you're done with that, remove 6 bolts that hold in the windshield standoffs. Before we remove the air diverter, we'll protect the plastic with masking tape. Use a pry tool to gently remove the front air diverter and the cover. While stabilizing the fairing, remove the last 4 bolts holding it in place and remove it from the motorcycle. Now we're ready to remove the stock amplifier. Remove the 4 screws using a T27 Torx. Unlatch the red pin and press the release button to disconnect the harness. Now you may need a plastic pry tool for leverage. Finally, you can remove the amplifier. Make sure to hold on to the hardware as we'll need to mount our new amplifier in place. Now we're ready to install our new amplifier. Start by reconnecting the harness until it clicks into place and secure the red pin. Use a T27 Torx to re-secure it back to the mounting bracket. Now that we have our amplifier in place, we can reinstall the fairing. Now we're ready to reinstall our main fuse, service cover, and saddlebag. To prevent any possible damage, make sure that your motorcycle is in the off position before proceeding. Now we're ready to configure the amplifier to recognize your speakers through the IFCU or infotainment control unit. With your motorcycle in accessory mode, press the gear icon, then select Sound Settings. Scroll down to Speaker Setup. Once the dialog appears, click Yes to continue. Press Speaker Configuration, Then select the appropriate stage where each speaker is located. Be sure to only select the speaker stage that you've installed. Once you're done, press Start Test. When you're ready to begin, press OK. The IFCU will walk you through selecting the appropriate speaker that's generating audible pink noise. To complete the setup, press Stop Noise and turn the power off for 60 seconds. Once rebooted, you can confirm your configuration by pressing Speaker Status. You can also confirm using the balance, fader, and volume controls. As you can see, that install was very straightforward. Now, if you have questions or prefer a professional do the installation, please don't hesitate to contact your local Harley-Davidson dealership. Until next time, I'm Eric, and we'll see you again soon.